Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to use one of our customizable projects in the print ready designs category. So let's go ahead and get to our layout designer. We're gonna go to DTF and go to the direct to film transfers because we are going to do this on a t-shirt. And I think I want to do the 12" by 12" size. So what you're gonna do is you're going to go up to library and go to our print ready design. So we have over 300 images and several of those you can fully customize and fill with patterns, color, anything you want. So there's one in particular that I have in mind. So now we are going to go to the library drop down and go to the print ready section. And this particular design I know is going to be in sports, but it also has several other options under the sports category for these customizable designs. So the one we're going to do today is the Cougar Head mascot, and you will see where it has that customizable color. You'll also see the Eat, Sleep, Soccer, Repeat. Same with that customizable text color on there. There's another one, soccer, with a heart with a soccer ball inside, and you'll see again that customizable text color. But I really want to do the Cougar because I think this one is going to be really cool to show you guys since it has multiple colors in the design, but only parts of it are going to change. And this one's gonna be really, really cool. So let me first make this the same size as my canvas. So we have increased the size to 12 inches to fit our canvas. And what we are going to do is go up to the pencil icon and go to edit shape. And from there you have two choices. If you have the specific color that you need, like the hex code or anything like that, down here, you can click through these options and include that hex code. Or if you just kind of want a general idea, look at how that changed. So you can just click and drag around if you just want to do a color. I know one of my rivalry schools had a cougar as their mascot, and they were like a burgundy and white color. So you'll see where the outline of the cougar, the eyes here inside the teeth, like all this shadowing changed, but everything else stays the same. So no matter what your team colors are, you can go in and change that. Maybe like a navy blue would be really cool. So whatever color your school is, you can do that. But another fun thing is you can also add a pattern. And so let's see if there are any patterns that would be really cool here. Something kind of neutral, you know, so that way it can go for pretty much anything. Let's find kind of like a watercolor. Ooh, what about this one? This is like some lights, and you'll see it change there. And so I want to upscale it because I don't necessarily want to see the little spots on there, though they look really cool. I want to increase it because I really just want that like color gradients to show through. So whenever we increase it all the way, you will see where the coloring just kind of took over. And you can even go smaller if you want. Like, this is completely customizable however you want to do it. You can make it smaller and you can have lots of color there, however you want to do it. This is one of my favorite things about the layout designer and about the print ready designs that you can customize, because this is kind of a general mascot that is used, and we're going to be adding some more, and you can just go in and put your own team colors in. But that is how you go in and customize any of those shapes. So be sure to look for that customized text color little icon on the images, and you can open that up and change those. If you have any questions, of course, reach out to us. We are more than happy to help, but it's time to get creative.